Hello everyone and welcome to CyberMX. In this video, we are going to see the find command and how we can use it to find files and directories and then execute a command on them.
So before that, let's try to run some, let's try to see if I can run something here like this one. The initial command which we used as file.txt. So you know that this command will try to find files starting with the name as file.txt. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 files, only 4 files present here. So now you want to run a command on these 4 files. So you can use an option which is exec. This exec option will try to execute a command on the output of these files, like whatever output you are getting from the find command. If you want to run some commands on them, you want to run some command like you want to copy all these files, you want to delete all these files, you want to move all these files to different locations, you can do that. So for that, I can use the exec option and then I can specify what command I want to run. So let's say I want to delete all these files. So I will use the rm command followed by the, you know that how rm command works. It will ask you for the file that you want to delete. Now we have to provide all these files here because we want to delete all these files. So we have to provide the location of all these files individually here. So for that, you have to provide these curly bracket. Find command will understand from this curly bracket that you want to take the output of this command and store them one by one over here and then run this command on this output. So this is how the exec command or this exec option will help you run secondary commands on the output of the find command. Also, always remember that when we are using the dot or when we are using the this option, exec option, then we have to specify a backslash and a semicolon in the end. Again, otherwise this command will never work. So make sure whenever you are using the -exec option, you have to specify a backslash and a semicolon. If you now hit enter, you will not find any output because all these files are now removed. They are removed. You can confirm the same by running the previous command, and this time you will find that you are not getting output. Earlier you were getting the output of these 4 files because they were present, and now you're not getting the output of them because they are deleted from here.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.